Hey, Ko.
Hey, Joe.
Hey, did your mom ever subscribe to the KOJO channel?
No, she says she can't afford it.
Well, does she know it's free?
I'm going to tell her. I haven't told her yet. But a lot of people think if you subscribe to something, it's going to cost something.
I totally get that because everything's got a subscription now. Netflix, Amazon Prime, Microsoft, Adobe.
Only $29.99 a month.
I know. I can see why she would be wary, but she doesn't have to be.
No, but when you don't grow up in the digital era, a lot about it can be very intimidating.
Why don't we show them step by step how to subscribe and like and turn on notifications? That way they'll never miss a KOJO episode.
Subscribing to a YouTube channel is like telling YouTube what you want to watch.
I have 130 subscriptions of all my favorite channels and content. I know you like cooking and decorating channels.
Yeah, I like comedy channels. I love to watch those. And I love getting a notification that tells me, hey, another episode is dropped. You may want to watch this one. The first thing you're going to need is a Google account.
Think of your Google account as a big box that holds all your Google products like YouTube and Google Calendar or Google Maps.
If you have a Gmail address, you have a Google account. But if you can't remember if you have a Google account or not, go to account.google.com. If you already have an account, you will see your account information and you can click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen for more details.
If you don't have a Google account associated with your email address, you'll get a message asking if you want to create an account. Follow the prompts to complete your account information. You can choose one of the suggested addresses, or you may opt to create one of your own. Click Next. I used to think that in order to get a Google account, you had to have a Gmail address or a Google email address.
Yeah.
Not true. You can use any non-Google email address to create an account. Just click Use Your Existing Email Address.
I was today years old when I found that out. You can use that same username and password you created for your Google account to sign into other Google products. They'll ask you for your email address, and that's a good idea for security. They'll send you a code to that email address, and all you have to do is click Verify.
Or if you have a passcode key, you can use your fingerprint or Face ID or two-step verification, whichever you prefer. Step 2 is to download or bookmark the YouTube app. There's not a desktop app for YouTube, so you'll need to go to youtube.com and sign in with your Google account. Bookmark the website so it's easy to access. Just go to the Bookmarks tab at the top of your screen and select Bookmark this tab. You can name the bookmark and decide where you want it to live. Now, when you bring up a new browser, YouTube is easily accessed in your bookmarks bar or favorites folder.
I never go to the computer to look at YouTube. I usually look at it on my phone or on my iPad. How do I get to it from there?
Well, for Apple devices, download the YouTube app from the App Store. And for Android devices, download it from Google Play. That way it lives right on your device.
So step number 3 is sign into YouTube.
Otherwise, your likes and subscriptions won't save.
Once you do sign in though, if you don't log out, whenever you pull that app up, you won't have to re-enter all the information.
Right.
And you can go straight to the subscriptions that you set up for yourself.
To sign in, go to youtube.com and click on the Sign In button on the right side of the screen. Log in with your Google account and click Next. Now when you go to youtube.com, you'll see that the Sign In button has been replaced by your profile icon, which can be a photo or your first initial.
On iPhones or iPads, click on the profile icon and it will tell you if you have an account and if you're signed in or not. On Android devices, you'll automatically be logged in to the Google account associated with your device. If you are not signed in, remember, it will not show you your preferences. So sign in and use the Google password and login that you set up in step 1.
The next step is just to subscribe to a channel. You can subscribe from a video or from the channel itself. To find the channel you want, just click in the search field and enter the name of the video or the name of the channel and
KOJO channel.
KOJO channel.
KOJO channel.
Hit enter or return. Click on the channel name next to the video to go to the home page where you can view all the content from that channel. If you're already watching a video you like, simply look to the right of the channel name and tap the subscribe button. Once tapped, the button will change to subscribed. From there, it's easy to like or share a video. Find the thumbs up sign over to the right and click. Or if you want to share the video with someone, click the share button and enter how you would like to send it. I've had some friends say they subscribe to our channel, but they don't get notified. What's up with that?
Well, it's important to check that notifications are enabled. Go to the channel you want to subscribe to, and once you hit the subscribe button, be sure to click the disclosure triangle to reveal a drop menu with notification options. It's hard to tell, but the default option is to receive personalized notifications, which means YouTube will decide what to send you, which may or may not be the channel you've selected. You can select all, personalized, none, or unsubscribe. You'll want to change this to all if you want to receive a notification anytime a new video is released from that channel. If you're on a mobile device, just look for the bell icon to the right of the channel name to view the same notification options.
You'll also want to check the settings on your device to be sure you have enabled notifications. Go to Settings and tap on Notifications. Scroll down until you see the YouTube app and click on it. At the top of the screen, you will see a button you can toggle on to allow notifications. You can also choose how you want to be notified by clicking one or all of these options.
Now there's just one more thing to check. Go to the YouTube app or the website and customize your notifications. Click your profile icon, then at the top of the screen, click on the gear icon to go to your settings. Scroll down about halfway and tap on Notifications. Here you can see your preferences for the types of notifications you will receive. I generally leave all of these toggled on.
Step 7. Manage your subscriptions. Go to YouTube and look on the left side panel and click Subscriptions. Click here to see even more viewing options. While still on the subscriptions page, look to the right side of your screen and click on Manage to display a complete list of all the channels you are subscribed to. If you want to change any of your notification options, you can easily do this from this page.
I think my mom may actually be able to subscribe to our channel now.
And you can too.
That's right.
It's not as hard as you think.
So, watch this video with friends and show them how to do it also, because we have so many things we want to show you about life after 50.
That's it. Easy breezy.
Yeah, some of us are going to be rewinding this video
That's
so that
okay.
we can see. Yeah. Then it may be easy after 4 different rewinds.
No, it won't take that many.
If you didn't grow up in the digital area, la 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 la.